At least I can still do this at home. Fuck! Yes, it's that time again! For the Fang update. And tonight's issue is... Oh, that feels so central. Oh, yeah. Tonight's issue is... Human Parrots! The scourge of modern society! What are human parrots? Well, let me tell you about human parrots. Human parrots, they're parrots. What they do is they hang around you. Right? They listen to the things you say, and then they wander off, right? And they just regurgitate exactly what you say and pretend it's theirs. It's outrageous! Yes, they do this. You can tell them. They get through uni, they just pass. You know why? And then years later, right, they read all these books on philosophy and everything. But all they do is regurgitate exactly what they read and were told in class. That is the first sign of spotting a human parrot. They are incapable of thinking for themselves. And when they come up with an argument, it's not their argument. Someone else has probably written it or spoken it before because they just regurgitate it. Do they have lives? Of course not. They don't have any lives of their own because they walk behind you and they listen to what you say and they regurgitate that and claim and pretend it's theirs. Human parrots. They're the scourge of the known world. What do you do with a human parrot? Easy. You turn around and you start making up fanciful, absolutely ridiculous or bland and stupid and mundane, tiring, sleep-worthy sort of like stories, and you feed the bastards them. Or you do what I used to do once upon a time, is you feed out rubbish to them. An elaborate joke, but you don't give them the punchline. You hold back the punchline. You wait till one day they turn up and you're sitting around talking and they come out with this ridiculous line you've given them and they make out as if it's absolute fact, which sets it up for the punchline, and that's where you come in with the punchline. And that reveals there you expose the human parrot. You might ask, are they like normal parrots? Do they come in multicolours? No. The human parrot often looks meek and hides in dull colours. You can always spot them. They hang around just behind you, a little bit like the copycat. Except for the human parrot doesn't copy your work. The human parrot just copies what you say because they're incapable of saying anything themselves. I know, it's a sad world we live in. We've got copycats, scaredy cats, and human parrots. Someone said to me, maybe you should turn around and get the scaredy cats are too scaredy to go after the human parrots. But the copycats, you should sort of like get the copycats with human parrots. And we're a bit like, maybe they might devour each other. No, the copycat would be running around trying to copy whatever the human parrot has been writing. But the problem is, human parrots don't write. They're incapable of writing. No. I think it's something to do with evolution. They have things that look like hands, but they're not functional. So, there you go. What to do? I've told you. That's one procedure to fix up a human parrot. So, this has been a Fang Update, the late night edition. And did I impart, I always go, did I impart something of deep and meaningful sort of like concept? And I sort of like think, well, I'd say, normally I follow it with, no, I didn't. But tonight I think I've broken new ground, revealed new possibilities, exposed. It's like I have just done an expose of moronicness, of of idiocy. It wasn't that idiotic, was it? Maybe I should redo this one. I have a think on that after I put it up. Anyway, you know where it goes. Yeah. I'll jump. I should do something about sex. Problem is, I can't remember any. Oh, yeah. Keep the back tooth floating, and don't keep your fingers stuck up your nose.